These 10 home remedies are cheap, natural, and surprisingly effective. And I bet you won't be hearing about them at your next doctor's visit. So join me as we flip the script and learn all about them. My name's Eileen, and I'm a nurse practitioner who is tired of supporting Big Pharma. In this video, I will provide you with 10 proven home remedies to help cover everything from coughs to reflux. So join me as we flip the script. Got a sore throat, toothache, sinus infection, or canker sore? Try dissolving 1 teaspoon of salt into 8 ounces of warm water and gargle at least 3 times a day. Continue until symptoms improve. Feeling a little nauseated? Try some ginger. Ginger has been shown to soothe nausea, relieve bloating, and reduce gut inflammation. How to use it? Slice up to about 1 inch of ginger, boil it in 1 to 2 cups of water for 10 minutes, and then drink up to 3 times a day as needed. This works great for morning sickness, motion sickness, and after a heavy meal. Experiencing a cough or sore throat? Well, say goodbye to that nagging cough with the power of raw honey. Using raw honey helps coat the throat, fight bacteria, and even helps you sleep better. How to use it? You want to take 1 to 2 teaspoons straight off the spoon up to 3 times a day, especially before bed. But it's important that you use raw honey, not just any old honey that you get off the store shelves. You'd be surprised how much of that honey actually really isn't even honey. So bonus, add it to warm tea with an extra little squirt of lemon for a boost of vitamin C. And just a quick safety tip, no honey for kids under 1 year old. If you found any of these home remedies useful, please hit that subscribe button to help this channel grow so I can continue to bring more home remedy tips like this and other information for natural ways to help heal our bodies. Need a secret weapon for indigestion and blood sugar control? Try apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps support digestion, balance blood sugars, and reduce bloating. How do you use it? You want to take 1 to 2 teaspoons and mix it in with a glass of water. Drink about 15 to 30 minutes before meals. And an optional tip is that you can add in lemon or a pinch of cinnamon to give it a little extra flavor. But just always remember to rinse your mouth afterwards or to drink it with a straw to help protect the enamel on your teeth. Need a little immunity boost? Try garlic. Garlic is like nature's little antibiotic. Raw garlic can help boost your immune system and fight off colds, viruses, and infections. How do you use it? You want to crush 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, let it sit on the counter. That'll give it time to let the little enzymes activate. And then you can either swallow it raw or spread it on a piece of toast. You can do this once daily at the first sign of illness. Experiencing some aches and pains? Try soaking your aches away with an Epsom salt solution. Epsom salts are basically just a form of magnesium, which can help relax your muscles, decrease pain, and induce deeper sleep. So how do you use it? You take 2 cups of Epsom salt and mix it in a warm bath. Soak for about 20 to 30 minutes, 2 times a week. Bonus tip, if you want to get real spa-like, you can add a few drops of lavender oil for the next level relaxation. Got some angry skin going on? Oatmeal baths for skin irritation can work beautifully. Oatmeal baths work great for eczema, bug bites, rashes, dry skin. How do you use it? You blend 1 cup of oats into a fine powder, and then you're just going to mix that in with a warm bath and soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use it as often as needed, especially during flare-ups. Need some heartburn or acid reflux relief? Well, try using baking soda. The natural properties in baking soda help neutralize stomach acid in minutes. How do you use it? You're going to mix a 1/4 teaspoon in a glass of water. Sip it slowly once a day as needed. A little safety tip here is you don't want to overdo it. Too much baking soda can actually throw off your stomach pH, so it's important that you don't overdo it. Looking for a way to detox or get some old school pain relief? Castor oil packs can work wonders for that. Castor oil helps promote circulation, lymphatic drainage, and reduce inflammation. How do you make them? You're going to soak a flannel cloth in a cold pressed castor oil. It doesn't need to be dripping, but you do soak it, wring it out, place it over the liver, abdomen, or painful joint. And you're going to want to cover that with plastic wrap. Apply a heating pad and relax for the next 30 to 60 minutes and let it do its magic. You can do this 3 to 4 times a week or daily during a cleanse. You're going to want to make sure that you just wipe down the skin with a warm cloth when you're done. If you've learned something new here, please feel free to drop a comment down below and subscribe to help get this channel growing. We want to know if there's anything that has worked well for you in the past, or if you've tried one of these and it's something new and worked well, so we can kind of keep this conversation growing and keep our community learning from each other about natural ways that we can help improve our health.